guys, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I attach the halo I made in my last video to my hair. It's really simple, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just follow the steps and you're going to have a simple Slade protective style. So right now, as you can see, I'm just unraveling my hair. Now, I'm gonna take my favorite spray leave-in conditioner from Argan Oil and I'm gonna spray it all over my head. Now this next step is optional. You can create a pot, but the truth of the matter is that unless it's a center pot, you're really not gonna see it on your hair. Taking my trusty wide tooth comb and I'm gonna detangle my hair starting from the tip of my hair and working up to the base. Now I'm sectioning out my hair because that's how I like to do my ponytails or pack my hair all back to make sure that it's held down tight. I start with the middle and then I work with the perimeter. If you've seen my how to create a bun, you will know that I always do this when I'm doing any type of sleek back, ponytail or packed look. So that's what I'm doing here. Taking my eco styling gel, I'm just gonna hold everything down, starting off with the back. Take generous amounts and apply it to your hair. Taking a ruffle, I'm just gonna hold that back portion down. Taking my Blue Magic hair cream, like I've used this hair cream since I was a kid. I'm just going to apply it to the part of the hair so that there'll be no form of dryness there. Now I'm working the gel to the smaller portion of my hair. Then I'm going to put it on the second portion of my hair that hasn't been laid down. Now I'm taking my good old trusty brush and I'm going to brush everything down. Brush it down, brush it down. Taking a big hairband, I'm going to use this to hold my hair down. Just needed to double it to make sure that it's not too much. I don't have to wrap it around too much. tail comb and I'm just trying to lay those these edges down as best as I can. Now taking the portion at the back and I'm just going to braid it into one braid. Taking a bobby pin, I'm just going to secure it in so it looks like a little bun at the back. Now taking a satin scarf, I'm just going to hold my hair down. I usually do this for some hours, but this day I was just looking for a quick way to get my hair done so that I could go out. So I just did it for maybe 20 minutes or less, but I still didn't apply any heat. Trust me, I have no idea why I was dancing here. No idea at all. And so, I'm back, guys. My hair is all laid down. Now, I'm gonna take off the scarf from my head. Then I'm gonna pick up the halo braid that this is not the one from the last video, this is the one I have in black. As you can see, I have the elastic band. I'm gonna just wrap it around twice at the little bun at the back. Braid and wrap it around my hair, and guys, that's just basically it. So it depends on how you like it, closer to the front, closer to your forehead, or further back. For the little piece at the back, I'm going to tuck it into the little bun that I have using a bobbin pin. And there you have it, guys. You are done. This is a really super quick protective hairstyle to do when you have no idea what to do to your hair, when you're going on a quick date, when you're going out and you want to your hair to look representable. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys next week on my next video, and enjoy your weekend. Bye.